Like it's a mid 50.
It did. You still demoing a little bit?
Yeah, come out.
Let it cool off for a few minutes. You want to give me a full walk around for a video? Go ahead.
Nathan! Nathan! Yell Nathan.
Nathan! I don't know who Nathan is.
He is the owner of this vehicle.
Okay. What's up, man? I'm making a video, so she said she wanted you to give me the info.
Jacob Viral.
Yep.
I got 4 ZB515s, PRS 80, iPad mini in the dash. I got a B2 Duo on the back door, running the doors, and I got 4 0.1s in the back at 1 ohm off of 6 Kinetic 3800s.
6 of them, okay.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah. What's it tuned to?
44 Hertz.
44.
Oh, you got the lights on?
You built this?
Yes.
This is nice. Solid, too.
Yeah,
I like it. Wow.
It's pretty good.
Whew. Have you metered it?
Yeah, it's like it's a mid 50.
It did.
Can you smell them?
Yeah, a little bit. Getting warm.
A little bit. Getting a little warm. Getting scared.
How much alternator and electrical? Or you said 6?
I got 2 390 mic singers, and it's flying off of 2 watt. It's flying off of it. 2 runs of 2 watt to the back.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thanks, man.
Ready?
Yeah. He wants to hear it real quick. Yeah, I'm about to go check it out. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel, Jacob Viral, for daily car audio videos. That's pretty cool. I was to say, where's your batteries? Are they hidden underneath?
Go ahead and give this video a like if you're enjoying the video.
Team Deadly Hertz, so you are on TD, okay. This is our first year. Dude, that looks good. Wow.
Tablet in my mind, 'cause I don't like
Can I see your alternators? I like to see it all.
There's a one channel Jacob file that you can go ahead and check out after this video. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel Jacob Viral for daily car audio videos.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
B2 audio.
Yep.
Those are some beefy amps.
Yeah, they're like 35, 4K.
I mean, what do you wire down to for each sub?
1 ohm.
1 ohm?
And I'm rising to like 4.
So seeing
One
what?
here and one here.
So you're seeing like 1500 watts a sub or something like that?
I'm doing like roughly 6,000 watts and I'm doing mid-50s.
That's efficient.
It's all about the structure.
That's right. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
All right, brother. Take care. Thanks a lot, man.
Yes, sir.
Anti-sober. Don't get hurt. Turn around and throw it in reverse.
Go ahead and give this video a like if you're enjoying the
We're
video.
smoking dirt. We're smoking Larry Bird. Say you run straight. It goes skirt. Shotgun and skirt. We was doing traffic with my rap head in the dirt. And the Fosgate jacket in my crash, I told the skirt. Overseas, I need a visa. Blazing in the visa. Try to see me when I'm speeding. You get burned like Derek Jeter. And my Nina, she's a diva. Dirty like Lupita. Peter Piper, pick up pussy, make her pack my millimeter. Chilling on the chain, but the seats is heated. Shawty wanna race like a beaver leader. Spent 3 G's on the sneakers, like 3 stripes and a slash. I'm undefeated. Bricks ons, I'm tipped on. Push button, Kim Jong. Roll through, looking so cool in the old school, like Vince Vaughn. Vroom, vroom.
Be sure to be subscribed to my channel Jacob Viral for daily car audio videos.
We don't want no murder. Cop the coupe, drop the poop, pop out the top like I'm a turtle. Oh, then she turtle round and throw it in reverse though. Aston Martin, push button motor, cuss.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.